everyone. Today I'm going to teach about modal auxiliaries. Okay, so before we start modal auxiliaries, we'll try to know what are auxiliaries. So before we start auxiliaries, again I would like to come to the particular topic, that is verb. Okay, because all these are interrelated. When I say verb, verb means an action word. Okay, it talks about the state of being. It talks about what a person has. It talks about what a person is and what a person does. Okay, so this is the definition of verb. Verb is of two kinds. I have said principal verb and auxiliary verb. Principal verb takes the principal things, like the main things, as for example run, jump, write, go, come. All these are principal verbs. And auxiliary verbs are also called helping verbs because they help the main verb to change the tense. Okay, so under this helping verbs or auxiliary verbs, there are two kinds of verbs, like modal and then primary auxiliaries. So we are talking about the modal auxiliaries. Okay, so what are modal auxiliaries? Modal auxiliaries are those auxiliaries that talks about or that expresses permission. When I say permission, may I enter the class? When I say possibility, it may rain tomorrow. When I say ability, I can swim. That is, can suggest the possibility. Sorry, can suggest the ability. Okay. So it also talks about probability. It also talks about necessity. When I say necessity, we must reach school on time. We should respect our elders. Okay, this is our duty. So again I am repeating, modal auxiliaries are those auxiliaries which expresses ability, permission, necessity, probability. And sometimes you will see there are many usage. Okay, like when we use can and may. So when can and may both are applicable. Okay, can is informal, try to use may on most of the times. Okay, may I enter the class, may I take your pen. Okay, and when we compare can and could, try to use could. Okay, could is more polite. Okay, so it depends on the usage. Try to use uh, could when you are formally using a sentence. Okay, and try to use may I take your pencil, could you please lend me 10 rupees. Okay, and then when we talk about must and have to, must is more stronger. Okay, I mean must has more there is stress. When I say I have to complete my work, and when I say I must complete my work, that means must suggest most obligation. Okay, that means I must do it. That means I have to do it by any means. Okay, must is more stronger than have to. So these are the small there is things that you need to remember. Okay, so for further details, try to log into my channel and do subscribe it. Okay, thank you.